Hello, amazing learners! Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. You're doing great! We've learned so many useful words already. Today, we'll explore nature and weather, words you hear every day when talking about the world around you. Grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's learn together. Sun is the big bright star in the sky. The sun gives us light and warmth. Sun. Say it with me, sun. Moon is the round object in the night sky. The moon changes shape each month. Moon. Repeat after me, moon. Star is a bright point of light in the night sky. Stars are far away in space. Star. Say it clearly. Star. Sky is the space above the earth. The sky is blue in the day and dark at night. Sky. Let's repeat. Sky. Cloud is a white or gray shape in the sky. Clouds bring rain or shade. Cloud. Say it with me. Cloud. Rain is water falling from the sky. People use umbrellas in the rain. Rain. Repeat slowly. Rain. Snow is soft white ice falling from the sky in winter. Snow feels cold. Snow. Say it together. Snow. Wind is moving air. The wind can be soft or very strong. Wind. Practice now. Wind. Storm is bad weather with strong wind and rain. Storms can be dangerous. Storm. Let's say it. Storm. Rainbow is colorful light in the sky after rain. Rainbows have 7 colors. Rainbow. Repeat after me. Rainbow. Mountain is a very high hill. Mountains can be covered with trees or snow. Mountain. Say it clearly. Mountain. River is a long line of moving water. Rivers flow to lakes or seas. River. Let's repeat. River. Lake is a large area of water with land around it. Lakes can be big or small. Lake. Say it with me. Lake. Sea is a large body of salty water. The sea is home to many fish. Sea. Repeat after me. Sea. Ocean is the biggest body of water. Oceans cover most of the earth. Ocean. Say it clearly. Ocean. Beach is land near the sea or lake. Beaches have sand or stones. Beach. Let's practice. Beach. Forest is a large area with many trees. Forests are home to animals and plants. Forest. Repeat slowly. Forest. Tree is a tall plant with a trunk, branches, and leaves. Trees give shade and oxygen. Tree. Say it with me. Tree. Flower is the colorful part of a plant. Flowers smell nice and look beautiful. Flower. Repeat after me. Flower. Grass is small green plants that cover the ground. Grass feels soft to walk on. Grass. Say it clearly. Grass. Great work today. You now know 80 words in our basic 1000 English words journey. Try using these words when you look outside. Example: the sky is blue. I see a rainbow. The forest is full of trees. Tell me in the comments, what's the weather like where you are now? Next time, we'll learn 20 more useful words. Keep practicing every day!